Do you want to know how you can get paid to read via the BuzzBreak app and if it's really worth your time? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I love testing different ways to make money online, and many viewers have asked me for an updated BuzzBreak review, so therefore I decided to record this video where I'll give you an inside look, show both the pros and the cons so you can decide for yourself whether this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join, and BuzzBreak is an app that's available both for Android devices and for iOS devices, as you can see on the website. From what I've been able to find out, it is available in more or less all countries. There might be a few countries it's not available in, I can't guarantee that, but the only way to really find out if you decide to join is to just go to Google Play or the App Store, depending on the device, see if it's there. If it's there, it's because it is available in your country. But please watch this full video first so you know what to expect before deciding whether you should join or not. So let me now log in and then we'll take a closer look. So I have now logged into the BuzzBreak app, and the main way to earn here supposedly is by reading. So there's all these news stories, and it will, from what I can see in your local language where you're located, that's at least the case for me. So you know what news stories is that they will take it from different media outlets that are in your country. That's how it looks. So you will click any news story, you will see here, you will get like a small, what do you call it, like a snippet of it, and then you can see here, there's like a little timer over there, and you just have to look at that. It will stop if you don't scroll. Right now I actually can't really scroll here. I can click to read the original, but then it will just take me to the actually website, and then I won't really earn. So I think I'll just have to go back and find one of the ones that I can actually scroll on, because if not, it doesn't really move. You see now it moves again here. Some other times there's been some content down here, so at least I could scroll, but I can't actually even read the full story. I just have to sit here and wait. Now you see it doesn't even count because I can't do that. So now I have to go back here, find another one, and then it will continue a little bit there. So it's a little bit of a lengthy process. Usually it actually is possible to scroll on the same page. So it seems like there's some bugs with it now. So I'll just keep going here a little bit to show you what then happens. Now I'm getting very close. You can see it fills up there. Yes. And then now, okay, one more. Let me try one more here. So now you see, yes, it's thinking, and then you see I just earned 10 points. So, you know, that took quite a bit. So I earned 10 points. Okay, easy enough, but it of course depends what the points are worth. We will go over that later. But also, at the same time, you can see I can do that. I will earn once in a while there. Then there's also this random one here I can click, and I can claim a reward, and then I earn 5 points. How that often happens is that, you know, see it just loads there. It takes like 30 seconds or so, and when I scroll again, it will continue, and very often then ads will pop up. So that's how they make money, is that sometimes when you claim these rewards, ads will pop up, and in my opinion, very spammy ads. Often be careful believing some of those earning claims in those ads. So that's again another way to earn. Here you see it fills up there. Soon it filled up there. I need to click there to claim it. I earn 5 points like that. So really not a lot you will earn, but theoretically, yeah, you can earn by reading, as you can see, but I can't actually get to read the full stories because then I'm taking to another website and not actually inside the app where it counts my time. But there is also a couple of ways to earn we can go over before we then can go over the value of the points and how you can get paid, because that's what we also need to look at to find out whether it's worth it or not. So as you can see at the bottom, there is something called videos. So you're also supposed to be able to watch videos. It basically works the same way. You can see here, you can click to claim your reward. It counts down there. For some reason, the videos don't work for me right now. They have in the past. So, you know, I don't know if it's just a temporary bug, if it's because of my location, or if that's just how it is there. But it basically doesn't really make a difference. It's the exact same thing. There's just videos. This one plays. What you will really earn by doing is like clicking this one to claim the reward, and once in a while an ad will pop up. There's also something in the top here, a spin, where you can potentially earn, but you see then an ad pops up. As I say, that will happen once in a while, so I'll just be back when this ad is over. So you can see that now I made it to the lucky spin here, and it says that I can win up to $10. But however, I also need to use 300 points for this, and you see there's a big risk that I will lose that. I, for example, only get 2 coins, so that would really not be worth it. But they used to have a free lucky spin also. It also said here that this is a limited trial version, so they are updating at the time recording this anyways. They do say that free chance will be available soon also, so they are updating some things, so it might look different by the time you go there to check it out. But be aware that some spins do cost points, and it takes quite a bit of time to earn the points, so whether it's worth it or not, yeah, that depends if you're willing to risk losing your points. But let's now talk about the value of these points, because that's of course important to know. So I now jumped to the cash out section, and on the way there I actually had to watch an ad. This is one thing that really annoys me about BuzzBreak, is that there's these pop-up ads everywhere. I understand that's how they make money, but when I want to go to the cash out section and I have to watch an ad, that's just really not user friendly. But anyways, as you can see here, it says that I have insufficient points. I need 2,000 points to cash out, and that will be worth 2 cents. So 1,000 coins or points, whatever you call it, will be worth 1 cent. And you can see, like for example, reading, scrolling there, doing all those things, I earn between 5 and 10 points, and you need 1,000 points to earn 1 cent. So the value of the points are really not high, as you can see. If you are patient enough, you can see here, then you can cash out already when you earn 2 cents. A very low payout threshold, one of the lowest I've seen on Get Paid to sites, but it still takes a very long time to just earn a few cents. The payout option I have is PayPal, so it does pay out in cash. The exact payout options might vary depending on the country you live in. If you live a place where it offers other options, please feel free to share it in the comment below. That would be great to hear. But overall, I do like the payout threshold and the payout options, but it will take a lot of patience to get to the threshold. So to sum it all up, BuzzBreak is a way to potentially get paid to read news, or more correctly, to just scroll around a little bit and watch ads that pop up once in a while. In my personal opinion, it's a complete waste of time, because it is very ineffective. It will take a long time to just earn a few cents, or even $1 will take an enormous amount of time. So there are so many reward apps out there, and BuzzBreak, yes, even though it is legit, it's a different way to earn, but it's just really not an effective way to earn, and I prefer just focusing on methods that are some of the most effective out there. I do have a list on my website of the top reward apps. I'll leave a link to that below, so you can check out if you want to see some of my preferred alternatives. If you prefer reading or want to read also, then about BuzzBreak, I do have a written review of it also on my website. I will also leave a link to that below. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.